Habari zenu? Mko salama? Allow me, I'll make a very short statement here. First and foremost, Bwana CEO, the STANBIK Bank. Honorable guests who are with us here, the Deputy Governor, County Executive Committee members, the CEOs, teachers, representatives who are here, Mheshimiwa Jim Kenyanya, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the people of Kisii, I welcome you all this evening to Kisii County, the home of sweet banana and soapstone. Esteemed ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored today to witness this important event of signing of a memorandum of understanding between STANBIK Kenya Foundation Limited and the Kisii County government. I wish to thank the earlier opportunity to thank our partners, the STANBIK Kenya Foundation Limited, under the able leadership of my friend and the son of the soil, Joshua Igara. Indeed, as we just indicated, I've been trying to get even hold of your court. Your heart to be gotten, but I'm happy you have come home. For choosing Kisii as one of your partners, and I vote totally commitment on my part as the CEO of this great county to ensure success of this noble venture. Indeed, this partnership will be a game changer once fully implemented, as it cuts across almost all vital departments in my government that have a direct impact on the common mwananchi. As a matter of fact, the program that will be launched, all which we have launched and implemented under the MOU, complement my campaign manifesto, the County Integrated Development Plan, CIDP, and Annual Development Plan, ADP. And for that, I thank the foundation for coming in handy as one of our major partners. Truly a milestone on the part of the county government. It is important to note that this MOU seeks to, among others, establish framework of collaboration between our government and the foundation for training on digital knowledge and skills, training on entrepreneurship, available or availing affordable financing to micro and small medium enterprises. Pauline, you mentioned here that people can earn money while they're in Kisii when they're managing businesses in Australia, in the US, in the UK. Some time back, when I was a counselor, my brother was in the US then. He asked us to check on how we can get young people from Kenya to manage some farms in the US. At that time, we could not get anybody. You see, in the US right now, it's now that they have woken up. We are going into another shift of the cycle in the US. By then, we did not find anybody. That program was taken back to India, where people were ready. And people were earning good money, close to 200,000. A gentleman who had 1,000 daily cows, he wanted only to manage his farm from here in Kenya to see if the cow was cleaned properly, if there was somebody who was sleeping on the job. We could not be able to get it. But now, it has come a time when now we want to have it in Nyakembene. Somebody in Nyakembene can sit down and manage a farm in the US or in Australia. Or somebody like Ikorongo in Nyaribar, Masaba. Or somebody in Kitutu, At Nyeroro's ward, it's called Monyeroro ward. My brother Gara, thank you for coming, and I'm happy. You know, I did some little of economics back in college. There was competition of supermarkets. Therefore, there are so many supermarkets in one street. One of the supermarket was like, what do? We have so many. He realized there was only one thing, that all the supermarkets had not indicated entry. He had to put that thing of entry to the supermarket because all others did not have that. Therefore, people thought all the supermarkets, they were using what? That one entry. Therefore, again, you have come at the right time. I'll give that small story later to really see how we can be able to fix our account. Beside the MOU, we'll enhance the empowerment of the youth, women, and the MCs towards building strong enterprises in line with the county strategy and UN Sustainable Development Goals. Further, it will explore ICT innovations and funding of the same, facilities access to mass market and the corporate, and enable access to market through corporate value chain, trade corridor, and government trade agenda. Mr. CEO, I'm delighted to know that within the spirit of this partnership, the foundation will support the county government initiative to strengthen healthcare services as cancer screening, and generally wellness check will be part of the program. In general, through the cooperation, we will be able to A, train youths, women, differently blind person and MSCs on digital knowledge and skills. B, train youth, women, differently blind persons on entrepreneurship skills and access to potential market. Provides ICT infrastructure agenda by donating some of the computers for use under joint digital agenda. I'm keen on this department, and I've seen the director here. Where is the director? Yeah, this gentleman. I know the gentleman who was working there left in the haste after you took over. That department, over time, it has received 1 billion Kenya shillings, but you cannot mark one item. But now that you are the new director there, I expect that we must see great changes, because I've again put some money in that department for us to realize the potential in our people. Thank you. Provide MSCs with access to market through corporate value chain, trade, corridors, and government trade agenda, I want to direct all my county committees, CECs, the chief officers, and all those working under them to dictate their time towards ensuring that they effectively deliver in their respective departments. I'm happy that there are directors here, there are chief officers, CCs. Again, you are directed accordingly. Once again, when I see you, I want to assure you that my administration will work tirelessly towards the achievement of this partnership that we have started today, and be assured of my commitment. Allow me to point out on our 3 issues. Akili ni wengine wanasema ni mali, ni nywele. Tunasema akili ni nywele, na kila mtu ana zake. Walimu, si mko hapa? Akili they are the only people who can mark for us. Akili ni nywele, na kila mtu kama mimi sasa naona kwamba kipara yawezekana, lakini wewe uko na kipara already. Sijui zako ni zipi. Amon. Bwana CEO, umekuja at the right time when we had 31 commercial bank. You are the 32nd. Our brothers and sisters of county of Kisumu, they have 19 commercial banks, whereas they are city. You go to Nakuru, they have 18 commercial banks. Muranga, they have 5. I was with my colleague Kangata. Whereas Kisii, we have 32 commercial banks. That shows the business, the serious business which is in this town. And I want to let you know today that if you see, the stadium being prepared, we have national games, national secondary school games. We had primary regional. We had athletic Kenyans here. I want to assure you that we are going to have more of these banks, because some time back I'm told at the time of the what did we used to call it? The local authority. Kisii was number 2 in revenue collection after Nairobi, not even Mombasa. It's only, I don't know where rain started beating us. We got some people who are more clever than the common mwananchi, but I'm fixing the system that we can be again either number, if not number 2. My brother Oigara, how I wish now that, I did ask you like a joke when we were sitting there. Paulina had promised me that if I have you say, let it be 50. You have added to 59. I wish that you could take over this stadium, STANBIK everywhere, and maintain it. Or adapt one of the streets there, because you have come. They will see there is a new baby in town. And given that you are around, I don't know if you unakamatanga ile kitu ingine kidogo. In that street, we make sure it's attractive. It operates 24/7. So that even when you're sitting there, you say, this is STANBIK. This is my fruits. We remember you. The problem is that money that we're going to collect as taxes from that place, we will make sure they have been put in proper use. Boda boda, you mentioned about boda boda. I came to the office. My backbone was boda boda. We have 106,000 now, boda boda riders. I was just looking into if I got only 50,000 of them, and these people to collect only 100 shillings. 100 shillings. It's 5 what? 5 million a day. We had a corroboration and we had an understanding that they can only do 20 days. 20 days a month. That is 100 what? 100 million. Times 10 months. We don't want to do 12 months. They were to collect 1 billion Kenya shillings. There is no even any other business here could have beaten these people boda boda. President gave me 2 million. I got my 3 million from my accounts. I launched that cycle here. Overnight, wale the spirits, zile nguvu za giza zikaingia, zikapiga hiyo kitu mpaka ikalala. As we are talking right now, there is 5 million, because now the boda boda, they are to get the money out, their money, but there is 5 million in the account, and we're not very clear how we are going to multiply. But now that you have come and you have said you are interested in the boda boda, I can assure you, I have very good relationship, very good, with my boda boda team. I think the president of boda boda in Nyanza is here. This gentleman, he's called Jafet. He's the president of boda boda Nyanza. You can be sure that this is a sector that you can tap in. We can do good business with them. Number 2, I'm happy that when you mentioned if we fix the Kisii, other counties will fall in. And that's my dream. If we fix the Kisii, Omabay will follow in, Migori will come in. Actually, when I talked to my colleague in Migori, Governor Ochiro, he normally says, you know, our capital city is where? It's Kisii. That has been. Therefore, definitely if we fix the Kisii, this remains to be the capital city of this region. And I beg, now that you have said, you as a bank, you can run Uganda government, you can run Tanzania, Kenya, Ethiopia. They said that 22 trillion. Naona ile pesa William Ruto anatafuta ambayo imeleta shida. But this gentleman, 4 trillion. Kwa hivyo hawa, of course 4 trillion Kenya, we could be the highest. Uganda, Tanzania ni kidogo. Kwa hivyo, again, we can be able to fix here as it were. For my women, again in the county, I'm told I have 40 million in the credit scheme, isn't it? In the budget. Something that I'm working on the policies with the assembly. How I wish that I open an account with you. That's to be the first business. And you guide us through that route. Because we're going to give money without interest. People do business as long as you can be able to manage for us. Irudi your pesa na wapate wengi. Therefore, kwa sababu umenipa computer 59 na the likelihood kwamba utaweza chukua stadium ama street ama my hospital. There is a story I have about the hospital. I came in, this hospital was collecting 47 million per quarter. When I came in, I changed, the CEO was there. The new CEO moved that money from 47 million. We are doing now 200 million from that facility. If again, it's something that we can discuss around. Thank you. For those who are students here, you are saying you will match the 40 million. Thank you, and God bless you. One, for the trainers, and it's important for you to get it clear. Any trainer must be a committed trainer. Pauline, any trainer that you will have, start with a level because we can't achieve. I'm happy that we are, what is the time now? It's 5 something, isn't it? Around 6. We are seated here. Unajua walevi wamekuwa wamekaa hapa. Watu watu wazuri, kuna mlevi hapa? Hakuna. Kwa hivyo you see how committed my team is. We can fix. Allow me to recognize one gentleman again who has joined with us here. Jim Shalom came to my place, and this dream is that Simba one day you may become the in charge of the country. He went ahead to give me, he's actually donated 50 tablets for him to have come to my place. Jim, thank you.
This is the greatest place in the world. You people are awesome. You guys are awesome. Your next generation is going to be taught how to do. Oh, look at this.
Give him the mic.
That was a mistake. God brought me here because He hears your prayer. He hears those children's prayer. And He's going to make Kenya a light onto this world. The world is very dark. But guess what? There's so much opportunity here, more than anywhere else, even in the United States of America. And we need to empower this next generation. I got 50 laptops from friends that have them in their closets or in their companies. They're upgrading. You know, we need to bring more computers in and empower these children. And I'm a serial entrepreneur. Wait till you hear what I'm doing with chickens and what I'm doing with soil. We're going to empower the station. We're going to increase the people's income so they can take care of themselves. And the profits are going to go to my foundation to continue to make the foundation grow. Amen?
Amen. Jim, you start preaching. This is a blessed land. We can make it. Jim will make it. This CEO is the son of the soil. You see, the bank the only bank can run close to 6 governments in Africa. Now we are partnering up with them. You can see the strides that we can make. Because God is there with us, then we will be against us. Guys, I want to leave you there. Therefore, when I see you, the 4 million, and I want to direct, wewe mtafute bwana, muhakikishe kwamba mmefungua account na STANBIK Bank. Hiyo pesa ingia hapo, alafu those policies, mheshimiwa, nimeona mheshimiwa wakili, mko hapa, the policies around mheshimiwa Sonia na your colleague, mnafungua assembly probably next week. Let us fast track on those policies. Probably within this month, tupate kwamba kila kitu iko sawa, tuanze kupea watu wetu pesa wafanye biashara, and they will be trained accordingly. Yeah, asante.